Thank you so much, Lord, for showing me the solution of my life. After a long time journey of ups and downs, now I know the solution, the solution, the solution. It's a brand new day, things are good, a brand new day. I'm never late, I know I'm not perfect and I don't regret. Please forgive our trespasses and make our today brighter than yesterday. Nitende mema kwa wenzangu na kutunza mazingira uliyoumba we. Nisipompenda jirani naye muona, siwezi kukupenda we nisiye kuona. Kwa maana upendo kwetu ni jawabu